Hello children, welcome back to e-learning classes, and today we are going to do science subject. Yes, okay. Now previously which lesson did we do? Do you all remember? Yes, we did lesson number 6, birds and insects. So children, related to lesson number 6, here are few questions. Will you answer them? Yes? Okay, come on. Let's start with question number 1. Okay? Birds that cannot fly. Do you all remember which birds that cannot fly? Do you all remember which are the birds that cannot fly? Yes, kiwi and ostrich. Very good children. Then birds that can swim. Which birds can only swim? Duck and swan. Yes, very good. Then question 3. Insects that can fly. Which insects can fly? The insects that have got wings can fly. So which are they? Do you all remember? Yes, housefly and butterfly. Very good. Insects that cannot fly? Ant and termite or flea. Or you can write any names which you can remember. Yes, for all these name them. You can write any names which spellings you can memorize and remember. Okay, it is not necessary whatever Miss writes, you have to write the same. Okay, now shall we revise something more from this lesson? Okay, will you answer me? Yes. So come on, my first question here is, what should I ask? Okay, you tell me. Okay, where do birds lay eggs? Come on, tell me, where do birds lay eggs? In the nest. Yes, they build a nest on the tree. Yes, like you all have got houses, they have got nest. Yes, they live there, they lay their eggs in that. Yes or no? Yes. Now come on, tell me the parts of bird. How many parts were there? 4 parts. Very good. Now this shows my children have learned the lesson very nicely. Very good children. Come on, tell me the 4 parts of the bird. Wings, feathers, beak and legs. Very good. Once more. Wings, feathers, beak and legs. Once more. Come on. Wings, feathers, beak and legs. Very good children. Now come on, with the help of wings they fly. Very good. They fly with the help of their wings. Then they eat food with the help of their beak. Then they hop with the help of their legs. And what do feathers do? They keep their body warm. Yes, very good children. Now tell me something about insects. How many legs does insects have? 6 legs. Very good children. Then there are few insects that have got feelers on their head. Yes or no? Yes. So which insects have got feelers? There are so many. Yes, ant, cockroach, butterfly. There are so many insects that have got feelers on their head. You can write any names. Okay, then the insects that have got wings can fly, and the insects that have no wings, they cannot fly. Yes, very good. Everybody remembers this lesson very well. Okay, so now you are ready to learn the new lesson. Yes or no? Yes, very good. So we shall learn a new lesson today. Lesson number 7, food and shelter. Yes? Are you all ready to learn the lesson? Okay, come on, let's start. For the food, first we will see food, okay? Okay, now all the living things need food to eat. Yes or no? Yes. Now come on, name few living things. Animals, human beings, birds, insects, plants, all these are living things. Yes or no? Yes. And all the living things need Come on, remember, recall your memory. We have done this lesson. What do living things need? There were 3 things. Which were they? Air, water and food. Yes, come on once more. What do living things need? Air, water and food to live. Yes, okay. Now all the living things need food. It is very important for us to have food. Yes, we get energy from that. So today we will see food of animals. Yes, okay. Now first shall we read this? Okay, everybody knows reading? Okay, come on, you all read with me here. Animals eat different kinds of food. Okay, all the animals, children, you know, they eat different kind of food. Everybody does not eat the same kind of fruit. Yes, dog does not eat the same kind of food as cow, and cow does not eat the same kind of food as lion, and lion does not eat the same food as horse. Yes, all eat different kinds of food. They move from one place to another in search of food. For you children, mummy prepares the food. Yes or no? Yes, for you, mummy prepares the food. When you were coming to school, when you go home, mummy had kept the food ready for you. Yes? Okay. But for animals, children, they move from one place to another in search of food. Nobody prepares food for them. Yes? And you know, children, some animals eat only plants. Yes, they eat only plants and grass. The animals like horse, deer, cow, goat, all these animals, they eat only plants. Yes, they don't eat anything else. Now everybody knows which are domestic animals, which are wild animals and which are pet animals. Yes, deer is a wild animal and cow and horse are domestic, and goat is a domestic animal as well. Yes, okay. So you see children, all these animals eat only plants. Yes. Then there are few animals and birds who love to eat grains, fruits and seeds. Yes, you see rat, bird, squirrel, hen, all these like to eat fruits, grains and seeds. Yes, then there are few animals which eat only the flesh of other animals. Yes, there are few wild animals who eat only flesh of the other animals. Like you see, lion and fox are given here. They eat only the flesh. Now children, remember, not all wild animals eat flesh of other animals. Only few wild animals, they eat flesh of other animals. Yes, and then there are few who like to eat both the flesh of other animals and plus the plants also they can eat. You see, dog and cat, these were the examples. If you give them meat or fish, they will eat that also. And if you give them bread or chapati, they will eat that also. Yes, they eat both. Flesh also they will eat and plants also they will eat. Yes. Then you see spider and lizard, these eat insects and worms. Yes. So you see the lizard is eating a housefly and the spider eats the other small insects. Yes, the insects which are smaller to them, they eat that. Okay, so now you know which animals eat what. Okay, so children, here we finish our part 1. Today we have seen only food of animals. Yes, so this was our part 1. You will read the lesson, half lesson, the food section, and you will write the blanks in textbook also and in 4-line book also. Yes, so bye children.